All right, quick video on this beautiful day. Right now, I have this RAV4, my RAV4, to do an oil change. It's not about the RAV4 per se, but it's about all the owners who do it yourself oil change. Yes, keep all your receipts. This is, I strongly recommend that, especially if you're still under warranty. On top of keeping your receipts, make sure to film the entire oil change. You don't have to edit everything, nothing. Just start from finish. Show your mileage with the camera, the car, VIN number doesn't matter, and show the stuff you have on the table, and film the entire oil change. Because I hear some people having issues with the dealer slash manufacturer when it's time to do work under warranty. So on this case, this vehicle, the warranty is over because of the time, but the mileage is only like at 47,000 kilometers, not miles. So it's way under the 100,000 kilometer warranty this thing has. But yeah, just so that film everything, especially when it's under warranty. And whatever car you have, just show you have the proper spec and the proper filter for it or whatever. So on that note, take care and goodbye.